If you want to go ahead and export out your video for TikTok, you need to go ahead and select S.264 format right here. And in preset, if you were to see, you don't have TikTok right here. But what you simply need to do is go ahead and change around the resolution for it. So over here, you can see that the resolution right now is set to width and height right here. And for TikTok, it's usually the vertical videos. So for that, you can go ahead and type in 1920 by 1080, which is the standard size right here, just like this. But the height right here should be 1920, and the width right here is going to be 1080. So let's just go around over here, and then let's just go around over here and type in 1080 right here, just like this. And over here, I'm going to type in 1920, just like this. So now, as you do that around over here in the source, you can go ahead and resize this out and rearrange it out right here, just like this. Once you do that over here in the output, this is what you see. So you can go ahead onto the crop, and then you can see the proportion right here. So let's just go around over here and select 9 by 16 crop right here. And once you do that, you can see that I have a vertical video now. So this is what you have, as you can see. And as you press OK and then export it out, this will be the standard video for TikTok that you can use, which is exported out of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.